How to do payroll on Square. Sign up for the Square payroll from your Square dashboard. Go to setup, add payroll info, enter your business/tax details, EIN, state tax info, and link your bank account. Then add your team, invite W-2 employees or contractors to onboard via email/SMS. They'll enter their personal info, bank details, and tax withholdings, which is the W-4. Then enter work hours, import time cards from Square shifts, or manually enter hours, tips, and commissions for each employee. Then run payroll. In your dashboard, go to staff, payroll, run payroll, select pay employees, regular payroll, start run, and then confirm the pay period and click submit. Square handles taxes and pay. So Square automatically calculates taxes, files them, and sends direct deposits. Employees get an email notification when paid, and then you can view reports and tax forms. So go to staff, payroll, tax forms to download W-2s, 1099s, and payroll reports anytime. If this helps, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.